Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Isiler Induction Cooktop. First, let's ensure a safe setup. Always place your cooktop on a dry, flat, and stable surface. Remember to leave at least 4 inches of clear space around the unit for proper ventilation. Also, only use cookware that is induction compatible, typically made of magnetic materials. Finally, plug the cooktop directly into a dedicated wall outlet for optimal performance. Now, let's get cooking. To begin, simply press the on/off button to activate your Isiler cooktop. You can then easily select your desired power level using the convenient plus and minus buttons. This cooktop offers 10 distinct power levels, ranging from a gentle 200 watts up to a powerful 2,000 watts. It's always a good idea to start with a lower setting and gradually increase it. For more precise cooking, you can switch to temperature mode. This allows you to adjust the heat from a low 140 degrees Fahrenheit up to a searing 464 degrees Fahrenheit. The Isiler also features a handy timer function, which you can set for up to 180 minutes. Once the timer counts down, the cooktop will automatically shut off, preventing overcooking and ensuring safety. Keeping your Isiler cooktop clean is simple. Always remember to unplug the unit and allow it to cool completely before you begin cleaning. For the glass surface, a damp cloth with a mild detergent works perfectly. It's crucial not to immerse the cooktop in water or use any abrasive cleaners, as this could damage the unit. When not in use, store your cooktop in a dry place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.